Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply coupon on Udemy. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Udemy account, and after that when you log in here, simply here you can see the multiple courses are available here. So now what you need to do, so first of all select the course that you want to apply a coupon. So like I have selected this course, and after that here you can see add to cart option. So now if you don't want to buy a premium package, simply you have to click on add to cart, and now new pop-up is appear. So here you can see the related topics and all the details. Just you have to click on go to cart, and now you will move to next page. So here you can see enter the coupon. So now if you want to enter the coupon, there are many websites on Google. Just visit this website firstorder.com and simply type here Udemy. So after that search for it. So here you can see the coupon and discount available. So simply click on get coupon, and now simply copy here, and now go back and paste here. After that click on apply. So in this way you can apply coupon on Udemy.